Cadets, in pair of linear equation in two variable, the first introduction to pair of linear equation in two variables. Firstly, see, you are aware already in previous classes also we discussed about it. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a pair of linear equation is set to form a system of linear equations in the standard form. This is given, and where a, b and c means we can say a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers. Actually this is this is written not equal to real numbers. This is wrong. So a1, b1 and c1 and a2, b2 and c2, these are real numbers, and a and b are not equal to 0. Okay, see, then we having the first method to simplify these type equations. So deriving the solution through graphical method. This is the first method, graphical method, and same you perform in class 9th also. But in class 9th we having only one linear equation, and in this class 10th we having two linear equation with two variable. So you can see, firstly you can make a table of 2x minus y equal to minus 1. Okay, and similarly you can make a table for 3x plus 2y equal to 9. So you can see you made a table for these two linear equations. Then after you can represent, okay, because in class 8 and class 9th you are from class 9th you know how to represent on the graph. And if you represent these lines, you can see these lines are intersecting to each other at one point. So this point, this common point is a unique solution, means at this point x equal to 1 and y equal to 3, this is a common solution for the both lines. So we can say this is a unique solution. Okay, you are getting here unique solution. Next is substitution method. This is also very important method. Okay, let's see. Suppose that we having two linear equations are given, x plus 2y equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So what you can do, from equation number 1 you can find the value of x in the term of y. So you can write x equal to minus 2y minus 1, and now you can take this is third equation. Now from equation number third we can find, you can put the value of x from equation number 3 to in equation number 2. So in this equation number 2 you will get, this is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So you can write the value of x. So you can write 2 bracket minus 2y minus 1 bracket close minus 3y equal to 12. In this condition, if you can see x is substituted, so you will get the value of y, and you having y equal to minus 2. Now putting the value of y in equation 3, we get x equal to minus 2y minus 1. So you will get x equal to 3. So hence the solution of the equation is 3 comma minus 2, means you having the x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2, and this method is substitution method. Now see the elimination method. Now see, suppose that we having two linear equations are given, 3x plus 2y equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y equal to 4. These are two linear equations are given, and we want to simplify these. We want to find the value of x and y by the elimination method. This is very easy method. In this we have to eliminate any one variable. So you can see in the first equation the coefficient of y is 2, and in the second equation the coefficient of y is 3. So means if we multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 2, in that condition variable the coefficient of y will be same. So if you multiply, you can see you will get 9x plus 6y equal to 33 and 4x plus 6y equal to 8. And in this condition if you will subtract, then you can see in the second equation the sign will change. So 4x will be negative, this 6y will be negative, and 8 will be negative. So in this condition 6y and minus 6y will be cancelled, and you will get 9x minus 4x equal to 5x. And in this side, in right hand side, you will get 33 minus 8, you will get 25. So now you are having x equal to 5. So in this condition you can see, and now x equal to 5. So from equation number, we can put the value of x in any equation, you will get the value of y. So now you can see x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2. Now the second method, cross multiplication method, already I Previously I shared one video in which clearly I shown each and every thing about the discussion about the cross multiplication method. So just you can go through that video also, and you can see the cross multiplication method. Very easily you can simplify the cross multiplication method. And this another thing, equation reducible to pair of linear equation in two variables. Sometimes if we having linear equation is given like 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 13 and 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. So in these type conditions, if you want to find the value of x and y, what you can do, if you can take 1 upon x equal to p and you can take 1 upon y equal to q. In that condition your new equations will be 2p plus 3q equal to 13 and 5p minus 4q equal to minus 2. Now same process you can follow. You can simplify by elimination method or substitution method, and after the finding the value of x, p and q, you can find the value of x and y, because you can see x is inversely proportional to p. Means if suppose that p equal to 1 upon 5, you will get x equal to 5. Okay, similarly for q also you can find. So in this chapter, insight of pair, we discussed the insight of two pair of linear equation in two variable, deriving the value of the variable through graphical method, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method, the reducing complex situation to a pair of linear equations to derive their solution.